Hi, this is Nathalie from LineDotArrow from the Netherlands, and today, yeah, it's finally there. We are going to do the LDA Wonder Bingo winners drawing for making the tags. And if you use the kit and had a post, it was 2 entries, and if you use the freebies and had a post, it's 1 entry. And I had some help from Stacy Merritt. He's one of the moderators in the Facebook group. She went through all the posts, and she checked, and also Joan from the Brown Dragonfly, Joan Brown. She also she's an admin at the Facebook group, and she also checked, and I checked myself. But yeah, the challenge was to make tags using the freebies or the kit, and that was alongside playing bingo. So I made a freebie kit that had elements to play bingo with, and I also had a kit that was sold in my Etsy, Autumn Wonders. But yeah, I'm just taking you to all the tags that I made. I think this was the first one I made, if I'm correct. Yeah, this one, and then I made this one, and it's kind of interactive, and it has a can opener as a topper. I think this was my third one, not sure. I have videos on making these because I made these between drawing numbers for the bingo. This is my favorite one. I really like this paper, and made a little pad in here, and also a tag with some inking. I like the labels that were in this kit, and yeah, I like a lot. I have this one. I think this tag I made myself. This was an actual tag from the kit that I mounted another tag on, and also the wegpot we call it, and did some stamping. And I also did this one with stamping, and it's butterfly, how do you call it, ribbon with a butterfly on top. And then I have the blue one, which I really like, and I had bingo, some sort of bingo tag sliding in, also bingo at the back, dream, and I did some inking, which kind of went wrong, but I still like it. And I had this one, the paper leaves combined with the faux leaves, and it's like so. And yeah, I put them on a ring because it's fun to switch and swap, and I don't know how you say it when you go through the tags. But yeah, this is what I made. But we are going to do the winners drawing, and before I'm going to do that, I'm going to switch to the desk with a setup for the computer. I'm going to do 3 drawings. The first drawing is for the first prize, and you will have 3 digitals from my shop. And if your name is drawn, your name will be taken out from the wheel. So not only because your most of you have your name in the wheel many times. So after I draw your name will be completely taken out. So the others that stay behind have a chance to win the second prize. And after the second prize, when your name is drawn, your name will be taken out. So the chances that everybody wins something is bigger. Otherwise, one person can win all the kits. That's not fun. And I made some tweaks with the wheel to make it more fun. I hope you like it. Let's switch over to the desk and do the winner's drawing. I will see you in a bit. At the name pickers wheel, and I have all the names, and I'm going to put them in here. Shake it a little, hide them, and go to full screen. Yeah, maybe I need to take you just zoom in a little. It's not possible to zoom in. There are a lot of names in it because some of you did a lot of entries, but the names are in. Yeah, and I changed the wheel a little bit to make it more fun. So the first drawing we are going to do is for the thirst prize, and after I did the drawing I will delete your name, but I have to do that um, after every drawing, because otherwise you can still win the first, the second and the third prize, and if you won a prize already your name will be taken out, because that's the most fair thing to do. Mr. Supervisor is also here. He is checking me. As a matter of fact, he is now bumping the screen because he's lying behind my laptop and pushing the screen towards me, but I'm going to hold it down. And yeah, let's start with the drawing. Not sure if you can see. Yeah, you can see. So the winner of the first prize is Gloria Brunning. So congratulations, Gloria. And now I'm going to delete your name, but I'm going to do that off camera really quick. One moment. So I'm back again. I also made a screenshot to know who was the first, the second and the third prize. So now we are spinning for the second prize, and that is 2 digital kits. Oh, sorry, I had to change the screen. Here we go. So the second prize winner is Mel Cochran. Sorry, the sound was really loud, but it was so much fun. So the second prize is Mel Cockburn. I'm going to delete your name and also make a screenshot. So I took Mel's name out and also made a screenshot. And congratulations, Mel, with the second prize, 2 digitals from my Etsy store. And now we are going to spin for the third prize. So we be aware of the noise because it's loud. Here we go. And the third prize winner is Candy Boyer. You won 1 kit. Congratulations, Candy. I'm going to make a screenshot really quick. One moment, please. This was the drawing for the winner of the LDA Wonder Bingo. For the tags, you made all the pretty tags, and I'm going to switch over to my desk now because it's really dark. But thanks everybody for joining in. There were a lot of entries. You can see on the name. We'll pick out all the names, and the ladies who won, please send me a message, or maybe tell me in the Facebook group. That's okay too. But if you send me a message via Messenger, I know how to send the link for the Google Drive to the kids. Okay, let me just switch over to the desk. One moment, please. I hope you like the new setup for the name picker wheel. I'm sorry if the noise was very loud, but I really enjoyed it. It was a lot more fun to watch. Otherwise, it's kind of boring. So congrats again to all the people who won, and I will Well, I will send you the kits as soon as you tell me which one you want. Please send it to me in a private message, or you can also put it in the Facebook group. That's okay too. Yeah, this is it for the drawing, and we are finally closing down the LDA Wonder Bingo theme we played during November. Bingo, and also making the tags. And we have a new challenge, and I'm just doing a little update quick. The new challenge is LDA Christmas greetings, and it's making a Christmas card and sending it away, or sending it away. It's not necessary. And okay, it's a two-part challenge. The first one is making a Christmas card, and you can make the Christmas card by using Golden Christmas kit or the Golden Christmas add-on kit, the Winter Roses kit or the Winter Roses add-on kit, or the Freebies kit. Or if you don't have these at all, something from your stash. The only difference is with the count of the entries. If you use the kits, so the freebie, no, not the freebie, sorry. If you use the Golden Christmas kit add-on Winter Roses or the add-on, your entry will count as 2, so your name will be in the name picker wheel twice. And if you use the freebies or something from your own stash, your name will be in the name picker wheel once. So this way everybody can be included in this giveaway. And if you are a person that doesn't have a printer but do want to enjoy this challenge together with us and make a Christmas card for somebody to send out, or not even to send out, only playing for the name picker wheel thingy, you can use things from your stash. And in case you win a digital kit, I will be more than willing to print it out and send it to you. I'm not going to do this every time, but as a special thank you, because you all supported me during the whole year, and as a Christmas gift, I'm willing to do that. Yeah, so the freebies are in here. I did use them already because I made this card, and there's a post in the Facebook group. No, I have to be clear. There's an event that is about making the Christmas kit, and we would like you to post your card when you start making it underneath the event and using the hashtag. I can't tell you enough. Many times I try to repeat it, but please do use the hashtag, otherwise we can't find the post. I don't know what's wrong with Facebook, but something's off. And yeah, it's very time consuming watching all the posts. So if it's underneath the event, it's all clustered. That's a good thing. And if you use the hashtag, it's even better. But there's some unclarity about when you will make the cards. I have another post in the Facebook group that says if you want to swap, comment down below, because it's a swap. If you send out something to somebody, it's kind of a swap. And I need people to tell me if you want to swap US or anywhere, so US, UK, US, Europe, whatever, or only US, UK, Europe, or only your own country. If you are like in the Netherlands, only to the Netherlands. Please be aware that if you ship to the Netherlands or from the Netherlands to the US, it will not be on time for Christmas, but it will be fun. And it's just for fun. And you can make more than one card, you can have more than one swap partner, but you don't have to swap. So to be able to join the giveaway with the name picker wheel, you can just make a card, post it in the group, and don't swap with anybody. Just give it to a friend or keep it in your stash, put it in your journal. That's okay. But if you want to swap, also tell me that you want to swap. And of course, when you swap, the card will be in the group also. So, well, before the Christmas card arrives, you already seen your card. Maybe that's a downside. I don't think so, because I wouldn't remember the card that someone made me, because it will take a few weeks to arrive in my case. So, but it's just for fun, and maybe you can add a little something, write a note that makes it special, or even add a little tag to make it special, and you don't put that in the post in the group. Yeah, I made a little card. I'm not going to work with this today, but I made this card. I have a video on how I made it, and I actually found this stamp today. Kind of lost it. I found it again. So yeah, this is my card, and these are the freebies. And I was also working on a journal, and I want to make something on the cover. But maybe for the sake of the length of this video, I'm going to end this video and start a new one making the cover, because I think that's better. So yeah, I'm not gonna craft on this video. So I changed my mind, but I'm going to make a video of embellishing the cover, and this is made from 2 cereal boxes, and I mounted them together. I folded them like so they like spooning. Yeah, so okay, well, this is my video for today. The tags, told you about the new challenge, and I told you that I'm going to make a video on working on a cover. So the next video that will be uploaded is this one, and I hope you will join in watching and also create a journal of your own. And yeah, this is it. Thanks again, everybody, for your support. Liking, subscribing, leaving a comment, being a member of the Facebook group. Follow me on Instagram. I really appreciate everything you do for me. And yeah, I hope to see you next time. Stay safe, stay creative. Greetings from the Netherlands. Bye-bye. Bye.